There's power behind telling yourself, okay, I'm present, I need a break, I need to move myself, not just my vehicle. My name's Raquel, and I'm a Lyft driver here in San Diego, California. Tips that I would have is every 2 hours, you've got to take a break. Maybe take 15 minutes to walk around. I like to do a lot of dynamic stretches. So walking, kicking your heels back so it touches your glutes, or just as far as you can get it up there. You can do jumping jacks. You can hold a plank, in a park. You want to make sure you're conditioning your neck. You can bring that chin down, inhale, exhale, taking it to the left collarbone, inhale, exhale, bring it right back to the right collarbone, inhale, exhale, bring it back. And then as you inhale, exhale, press against your eyebrows, bring it up. People say, oh, I don't have time for it. We do.